Smart fingerprint door lock, security intelligent lock, biometric electronic Wi-Fi door lock with Bluetooth app unlock. This lock can use for both opening side, left open, and right open. Product features. 1. Special lock body, easy to install, which more suitable for overseas customers' door lock system. 2. Support app unlock, app remote control through Wi-Fi/mobile data links, receiving range of 10-15 m. 3. Support fingerprint password RFID card mechanical key unlock, make your home smarter. 4. Low battery alarm function, when the battery is running out it will automatically reminder. 5. Over length standby times up to 365 days, power supply 4 PCSA batteries, not included. 6. Equipped with USB emergency charging port. 7. Suitable for the thickness of 30 to 100 mm door. 8. Meet diverse needs, universal for all direction, left pull/push, right pull/push.